kids! Today we're going to draw something warm, bright, and full of glow. Can you guess what it is? It flickers, it crackles, and it keeps you cozy at night. It's a campfire! Yay! Grab your black marker and let's get started. Let's begin with the fire. Draw a big flame shape in the center of your page. Nice and spiky, like a dancing flame. Now inside the big flame, draw a smaller flame. This one's the hottest part. Whoa! Our fire is coming alive already! Next, let's draw the logs. Draw a chubby rectangle below the fire. That's the first log. Now add a few more logs around it, like a little campfire circle. It's like they're having a wooden group hug. Don't forget to draw a small circle on the end of each log. That's where they've been cut. Great job! Now let's go over all the lines again to make them bold and strong. Take your time, careful and steady. Wow, this already looks like a real campfire from a camping trip. Time to color! Let's make this fire glow! Let's take a look at our colors for today. Yellow for the inside of the flame. Red for the outer flame. Now add red all around. Oh, it looks warm already! Brown for the logs, a little orange if you want to blend the fire just right.
Nice.
Subscribe to Chinki Drawing Arts for more fun and cozy drawings.
You must try this.
Whoa! It's like we can almost hear it crackling. You did it! Our campfire looks amazing. Warm, glowing, and full of life. You are such a brilliant little artist. Give yourself a big thumbs up and don't forget to share your campfire with someone who makes you feel warm inside.